Hello, my dear student. Welcome to my C language practical lab. In this tutorial, I discuss function in C language. Let's follow. Now I start to write the program. Function in C. Function. User defined function in C. Function in C. Okay. Now I write hash include stdio.h hash include conio.h void main clr str get ch. Okay. Now I want to define a function which can add two numbers. So it has three parts. First is declaring function, second is function call, and third is function definition. Now I declare this function void add void. This is prototype declaration of a function. Now I define function. Now I void add void this is function declaration. This is function definition. Okay. Being I want to add two numbers, so it needs to declare two variables. Suppose int a and b. Now I receive values from keyboard. Printf %d ampersand a ampersand b. Okay. Printf scanf enter two numbers, enter two numbers, scanf this. Okay, already I get two numbers. Now I have to print the sum of two variables. So printf sum is equal to %d, and %d will be replaced by a plus b. This is function definition. Now I call it in main program a This is called function call. Okay. In this program, I add two numbers using function. Now I save it. I compile it. Okay, there is no error. Now I run it. Enter two numbers. Suppose one is 10 and another is 20. Sum is equal to 30. Okay, I want it and output is as our assumption. Now I go next program which demonstrate function with passing arguments. Okay, now I save it for, and title will be add two numbers passing arguments within a function. Passing arguments, passing arguments into a function. Okay, now I modify the earlier add method like int being two arguments will be passes through this function. Now I declare int a, int b. These are the a and b are the formal parameters. So got it. I paste it here. Paste. Okay. And it also need to cut, and I paste it here. Okay. Now sum is equal to this function only print sum is equal to a plus b. Okay, this is function definition. Now I go main function, two variables a and b, printf, enter two numbers. I scanf these variables. Now observe how to call this function. Being two parameters are passes through this function, so it needs to pass two variables a and b. These a and b are known as actual parameter, and this a and b are known as formal parameter. Okay, now I compile this program. Okay, now I run it. Enter two numbers. Suppose one is 5 and another is 6. Sum is 11. In this program, I describe how to pass argument into a function. Now I go next program where I describe how to return value from a function. Okay. Okay. Now it needs few modifications of earlier program. I just copy this program into this program and carefully observe how I return a value from a function. In earlier program, the return type was void, but in this program, it will be int. Being I want to return a value from a function. So in function definition, it needs to modify and return time will be int. Now I return sum of a plus b. Okay. Now I go in main function. As earlier, I take two variables, two values, and receive them into a and b. Now I declare another variable int sum is equal to add a and b. That means the add function returns the sum and it will be stored in sum variable. Now it needs to display the sum. Printf sum is equal to %d, and %d will be replaced by sum. Okay. Now I compile it and I run it. Enter two numbers. Suppose one is 1 and second is 2. Sum is equal to 3. Now again I come to the program window. Here these two lines may be replaced by single one. That means it does not need to declare another variable sum. If we do not need it, then these two lines can be replaced by single one. Let's follow. Sum is equal to, I direct call the function add a comma b. That means direct use of sum. Okay, the return value of add function will be replaced the %d. Now I run this program and output will be same. Okay, suppose one value is 20, another value is 25, sum will be 45. Okay, in this tutorial I declare how to declare a function, how to define a function, how to call a function, how passes parameter into a function, and how a function return a value. Okay, so this tutorial reaches end. I end this tutorial.